Hey everyone, so today I'm going to make a card using the Tri-Fold 5x7 Showstopper die set, but I'm just going to use the 1/2. The Showstoppers can be doubled up, which creates these big Showstopper cards, but you can also have them as just the 1/2. So check out the playlist, I'll have it popping up here, and it will also be at the end of the video showing you all the different ways that you can use these dies. And I'll just show you this one here. This is a doubled version of this die set here. All folds down flat, and I've got these lovely envelope gift bags that you can present these in, or you can make a proper envelope. You can also flip them and have them that way as well, which I've done many of them, but check out the playlist, there's some really lovely designs. So you want to cut the main plate. You will need a larger die machine for this one because it's 7 inches in width, and I've used the black Creative Craft Products cardstock, so it's about a 230 GSM. And then you've got all your mats and layers here. These big mats and layers here are when you double it up, so they will fit this large space. But if you're just doing the 1/2, then you want all of these bits here. You can see I've got mine all laid out on my plate. So when it cuts, it will be like this. And if you have it so that you've got this shape on your left-hand side, you want to start off with a valley fold here. Just pinch it up like so. And then as you pinch that, this is going to come up, so that needs to be a mountain fold. And then from there, all of these need to be mountain folds, and they will all become valley folds. So you'll have 5 valley folds and 5 mountain folds, and there is your card shape. Now I'm going to do something different with this one, and I'm going to actually turn it into a stepper. So I've not done a tutorial on this. So this is a 5x7 card blank, and I'm going to stick this onto the front. I'll probably cut it so that there's no border. I don't know, maybe a little white border. See if I can get it perfectly lined up. And it's going to be a top fold, and you're going to have this stepper at the front. Something a little bit different. And then what I've done is I've cut the mat and layer for the back there, and then this mat and layer for the front. So like I said, that's using the mats and layers here. I then used my confetti embossing folder, that tied in nicely with the theme. And the papers are from the new paper collection, so I've used the cocktail one here. So I'm going to get all of that stuck down. So to stick it onto the card, you want to add your glue all on this section. And I've got a very thin white border, which I think works really nicely. So to decorate, I'm using the sentiment from the Let the Drinks Flow collection, and it is this one here. I'm not sorry you're leaving, I just came for the drinks. Loads of my old work colleagues would have found this hilarious, so I think it's a really fun one. So that's going to go in the middle, so I just stamped it and just layered it up on some foam. So I'm going to have that about there. And then I've used the Have a Drink on Me, and I've coloured and cut out these images here. For the little umbrella and straw, I've used the Magic Colour Slide edition set. These ones here. Oh, actually, yeah, I've used all of these bits, which I haven't shown. So the music notes here, the straw, the bunting. I'm going to have that on there as well. And then, where's the umbrella? There. It's a really lovely little die set, this one. And I thought I could have some of the black and white bunting. Those 4, I'll snip off the rest. Then I was going to have 2 of the cocktails together on this side, just behind the sentiment, and then the other cocktail on this side, and then just fill some of this white space with the music notes. I might add maybe that one down here, something like that. So I'm going to probably add some foam onto the back of these, just add a little bit of glue on the back of that, and these are already on foam adhesive, so I just need to peel off the back and their little stickers there. And if you want to colour yours, if you've got the Creative Craft Products new alcohol markers, those are the colours that I've used. So you can just take a screenshot or pause. And I thought they matched really well with the pattern paper that I've used there. And there is the finished card. So I decided to have the music notes running across that way, and so it's nice having that one on the back. I think it's a really nice alternative way to use this die set. It stands perfectly, and then you've got all your space inside, and then to fold it down like so. That will go in a 5x7 envelope or in a box envelope. So thank you again for watching today. All of the products you will find over on the Craft Stash website by clicking here, and I'll have them individually linked in the description box below the video. Make sure you're subscribed by clicking here, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. And check out the Showstopper playlist here, and you can see lots more inspiration and different ways to use these dies. See you again soon. Bye.